I'm gonna crush your face! I'm loving this shit! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Woo!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Welcome to Skullfuck Central!
So, for Punk Rock Zombie Zed, he's really simple. He has 2 stages. Well, technically 3, but the last one is pretty short. This first one, all you need to do, dodge his attacks. Just, you know, whenever the game slows down, just press B. That's pretty much all you have to do, and then just hit him with a few simple attacks, and then you'll do a finisher on him, and he'll move into the next stage. The next stage, you do not want to focus on him. You want to make sure to attack all of the speakers and make sure to dodge his his like flying records. I think they're records. I hope they're records because I figured it. But you don't want to focus on him. You just want to destroy whatever speakers he is standing on top of. After that stage is the final one, which is pretty much exactly like the first one, where he's on the ground. You just gotta dodge his attacks. Just make sure whenever the game slows down, just press B. It's a good tell of when you're about to get attacked. Also use the lock-on feature, that works really well. That way you can always know where he is. And that's pretty much it. Very simple fight. It is the first boss, so wasn't expecting it to be very hard, but just thought it would be cool to make this short little video, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
I'm stoked.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little.
Your mohawk looks like a rooster thingamabob.
I'm loving this shit! I can't wait to see you die! Your pain is my art!
Fuck! Speakers!
Your pain is my art! You pissed your pants! Ow! My mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut!
Yes.
Ooh, my mohawk, you dirty slut! Your face! I'm all about DIY!
Smash that speaker stand!
Oi! Your face gonna be on sweet! Your pain is my mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut! Your pain is my...
Destroy the speakers!
I'm loving this shit! I think you pissed your pants! I'm gonna crush your fucking face! Bitch, I can't wait! My mohawk, you dirty slut!
Fuck that shit up!
Yeah!
Oh my. Awesome.
Ow! Your pain! My mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut! I think you pissed your pants! Your pain is my art! Fuck! Bring it on!
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Stupid dude! Yeah! Join me on stage for a death jam! Vanilla slut! I think you pissed your pants!
Almost there.
Oh, shit! Oh, that was actually hurt a little bit. Crap! Whoa! What? Fuck! Die! 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 London is calling, and they say you are a whore! Fuck! Die! 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 Fuck! Bam! Eat my shit!
He's trying to kill us?
Take this, whore! Whoa! Yeah! Die, die, die! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Crap! Die, die, die! Yeah! Bam! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Crap! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Bitch! Fucker! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Take this!
Oh, this sucks.
Whoa! My shit!
And the finish. Fucking giant letter bullshit.
Jeez, so emo.
Juliet! You did it!
Mr. Morikawa.
Sensei!
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead. The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith you can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too.
Sensei, no! Don't leave!
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet. Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Sensei!
Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it, and make sure to subscribe, check out my other videos, it's always nice of you. Make sure to leave a comment, what you liked about the video, what you didn't like, and make sure to leave a rating, even if it's bad. That tells me if I need to change something. So again, if you want to watch the full Let's Play, click the video, leave a rating, comment, blah blah blah, and thanks for watching.